आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
मशहूर ऑस्ट्रेलवी व्लॉगर टेला हिल चौथी दफे पाकिस्तान के सियाहती विजिट के लिए यहाँ पहुँच चुकी हैं। ये जहाँ चाहती हैं सबको पाकिस्तान की सकाफत, तहजीब और मेहमान नवाजी की कहानियाँ सुनाती हैं। इन्हें पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत कैसे हुई और ये चौथी दफे पाकिस्तान क्यों आई हैं, इन्हीं की जुबानी जानिए।
उर्दू पॉइंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, उर्दू पॉइंट में खुशामदीद। मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान ज़ोहैब मंशा। वेल नाउन ऑस्ट्रेलवी व्लॉगर्स टेला हिल इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में है और इनका चौथा विजिट है पाकिस्तान का। पाकिस्तान घूम रही हैं, पाकिस्तान की ब्यूटी, पाकिस्तान की टूरिज़म दुनिया भर को दिखा रही हैं। इनसे जानते हैं कि इनका पाकिस्तान का जो ट्रिप है वो कैसा गुजर रहा है और बिलखुसूस चौथा ट्रिप, ये चौथी दफ़ा पाकिस्तान आई हैं, तो चौथी दफ़ा ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिन्हें खींच कर ले आई है?
I just love the diversity of like the country and the people, the culture, the food. Everything's really amazing here. People are just really hospitable and I just really enjoy being here. So I only just arrived here again a few days ago. So but yeah, this is my fourth trip and tomorrow I'm going up north, which will be exciting because most of the times I've been here it's been in winter, so I've explored a lot of the cities. I love it, like just walking around the cities and exploring the stalls and trying different foods and meeting new people. Karachi is a pretty amazing city. It's got its own feel and own character. It's very different from visiting Lahore or visiting Islamabad. So it's definitely worth coming down here and checking it out.
Do you eat Pakistani food like
Yes.
Karachi biryani, Karachi halim,
Biryani,
nihari?
yeah, pulao.
Pulao.
Yeah, I love Pakistani food, and like my friends say in Karachi that the food here is a lot more spicy as well than the rest of. I do like spice, but I have my probably my limits are less than Pakistanis.
कह रही है कि मुझे स्पाइसी खाने पसंद है लेकिन यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी होते हैं, तो मेरी कुछ लिमिट्स हैं।
Well, I think it's a very beautiful place and there's still a lot to be explored, so I really hope people will come and explore more of it. It's just so, like, from north to south, it's very, very different, very diverse, and people themselves are very unique as well. They all have their own, as the country has its own history and own culture and traditions in each region, so there is like a lot to see. Topic of women, just more women operators for travels and just probably maybe more facilities that will make travel probably more accessible. I mean, it is accessible, there's so many solo female travelers out there, but maybe even just encouragement for people to want to travel more as well, and maybe more investment in things like when there's
Do you speak Urdu?
floods. I only know a few words.
Any word? Any word? Any sentence?
आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, good. And more?
Much else? बहुत शुक्रिया. I mean, I have a lot of Pakistani friends. So,
Oh, good.
yeah, but it's been a few years as we were locked down in Australia, so I haven't really been using. I arrived here alone, but I have a lot of friends here. I have friends who are tour guides as well. So one of my friends, Ali Asghar, he's also a tour, owns his own tour company called Hidden Show. So he likes to visit and take people to hidden places. Definitely come to Pakistan. It's a gem. Like there's still so much to see, and I think it's still underrated as well. I mean, a lot of people visit countries around Pakistan, but they're still yet to come here, and I really hope people will come here because they have mountains, they have lakes, they have beaches, they have everything. And the people are very warm and welcoming, and you'll just have an amazing time. Very comfortable. This is probably the most comfortable outfit anyone could
Where did you
wear.
buy this dress?
I got this from Cardi. Yeah.
MashaAllah. So thanks you very much for your time. And what do you say about Pakistan? Because coming days, 14 August is the National Day of
Yes.
Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad. ہمارے ساتھ موجود تھی آسٹریلین ولاگرز ہیں یہ, اور یہ چوتھی مرتبہ پاکستان آئی ہیں. ان سے ہماری جو بات چیت ہوئی وہ ٹیورزم کے حوالے سے ہی تھی اور آپ نے سنی, اور انہوں نے یہی کہا کہ پاکستان ٹیورزم کے حوالے سے ایک بہترین کنٹری ہے, اور پاکستان میں جو ٹیورزم ہے بالخصوص کراچی سے لے کے ناردرن ایریاز تک اس میں ایک بڑی وسعت ہے, اور جو انٹرنیشنل ٹیورسٹ ہیں انہیں پاکستان آنا چاہیے, اور پاکستان کا جو حقیقی مثبت اور خوبصورت چہرہ ہے وہ دنیا کے سامنے رکھنا چاہیے. اپنے میزبان سے منشا کو اجازت دیجیے, اللہ حافظ.